All modern e-commerce implementations are relying on search to display products. Search engines are used to render category pages and to show results of customer queries. We'll talk about search in more details in the next section. Today, let's discuss how to use search technology for merchandising. The term searchandising is a combination of words search and merchandising. In digital commerce, it describes the way to use the site search engine to promote product when users search for specific keywords or phrases. In other words, it incorporates merchandising in the search experience. It is not enough to provide users with just relevant results. You have to provide them with results that you want them to buy. Product managers can define searchandising rules to align search results to their business objectives, whether by profitability, supplier, product availability, or popularity. Businesses can promote some product by boosting their search ranking so they appear on the top of the list or bury them at the bottom of the list. Searchandising rules can be quite complex and show different results based on channel, category, profit margin, available inventory, product attributes, or even weather. Some slot on categories pages can be reserved for specific purpose, such as promoting product from important suppliers. For example, the travel aggregator Booking.com needs to find the right balance between satisfying customer needs, revenue generated for business partners, and its own margin. And this requirement defines their searchandising rules. It is a good idea to continually monitor how customers are using the search on your site and adjust your searchandising strategy based on changing customer preferences, business objective, or new additions to the catalog. So how you implement searchandising? You start with searchandising rules by working with your marketing department to define their structure and what parameters to use. You need to rank products and category through boost and bury rules, align with business objectives, define synonyms, and whenever you can, use A/B testing to test different rules and approaches. When recommendation and search tied together and empowered by artificial intelligence, the recommendation logic can adjust to each customer in real time by combining customer data with customer behavior. System analyzes click, shopping cart content, search terms used by customers, demographics, previous purchases, and everything else, any data that you can get about the user. Shoppers often search for items that go well together. You can inspire them by offering products that other people bought after looking at the same product. You can also show them what other people are buying right now. Booking.com does a great job by showing how many people are looking at the same hotel at that moment and how many people booked it today. You can inspire people with best-selling products. They are suitable to show on the home page to welcome visitors, or on category pages to show popular products for specific category, or even on no result page. You should develop customized recommendation based on the visitor's previous intentions and give this product a new chance. Remind customers about viewed product, products in a wish list, or in abandoned carts. Searchandising rules can be made more dynamic to deliver a truly personalized experience for each customer. FactFinder gives us an example of search result with or without personalization. So the first screenshot shows search result for shoes when we know nothing about customer. But after customer has added, let's say, men's jacket to the cart, results will be different. We only show men's shoes. Every digital commerce system has some built-in merchandising and searchandising tools. However, that may not be enough if you want your business to benefit from advanced techniques utilizing artificial intelligence and giving business users powerful configuration tools. In that case, you will need to look at specialized systems like Bloomreach, Algolia, FactFinder, and others.